Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to study about the phalotaxy of the leaf. Okay, phalotaxy of the leaf means it is a pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or the branch. Okay, that is study. That means you are going to study about the phalotaxy. Actually, the phalotaxy are divided into the three main types. Okay, first is the alternate type of phalotaxy, second is the opposite type of phalotaxy, and third one is the whole type of phalotaxy. Okay, that we are going to study here in this session, and we will see one by one that what are the types of the phalotaxy. First of all, we will talk about the alternate type of the phalotaxy. Okay, you can see on the screen what is the alternate type of the phalotaxy. ओके, अल्टरनेट टाइप ऑफ फैलोटैक्सी हम देख रहे हैं। और आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये कन्फ्यूजन क्लियर होना चाहिए कि फैलोटैक्सी का मीनिंग क्या है। फैलोटैक्सी मीन्स इट इज़ द पैटर्न ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ दैट लीव्स ऑन द स्टेम or on the branch. Okay, alternate type of phalotaxy means you can see here the leaves are arranged or the single leaf base that are arises at each node in the alternate manner. Okay, you can see the example like in the China roses there, mustard leaf is there, sunflower plants are there. Okay, these are some examples of the alternate type of phalotaxy. So alternate type of phalotaxy में क्या होता है, जो leaf जो है single leaf base that is arises at each node in the alternate manner. You can see alternate manner में single leaf base arise हो गए हैं. Okay, so that is the alternate type of the phalotaxy. Okay, like in the example I told you about the China rose, then mustard, then sunflower. These are some examples of the plants. What they show the alternate type of the phalotaxy. Okay, now next of all we will see the opposite टाइप ऑफ द फैलोटैक्सी कि ऑपोजिट टाइप ऑफ फैलोटैक्सी क्या होता है और कैसे लीव्स की अरेंजमेंट होती है, कैसे लीव्स आते हैं. यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रीवियस लीफ which they arise and this leaf. Okay, you can see clearly on the screen. Okay, ये जो है, okay, this is, you can see this is how the single base is arise. But what happened here in the opposite type of the phalotaxy, a pair of leaves arise at each node. Okay, pair of leaf arises at each node in the opposite manner. Okay, like in the calotropes or the so many plants that shows the opposite type of the phalotaxy. जो लीफ जो होते हैं अल्टरनेट में क्या हो गया था, अल्टरनेट में एक ही लीफ बेस अराइज हो गया था एट ईच नोड, बट इन द ऑपोजिट टाइप ऑफ द phalotaxy ईच नोड हैविंग द टू लीफ अराइजेस हो गए एट द opposite manner. That's why it is called the opposite type of the phalotaxy. I hope it is also clear to you. Okay, and third one is the whole type of the phalotaxy. Okay, now you can see this is the example of whole type of phalotaxy. If you see the clearly, then you will understand that what is the whole type of the phalotaxy. In this type of the phalotaxy, what happened here, in if more than two leaves that arises at a node. Okay, also you can see this is also the example of the whole type of the phalotaxy. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया है, you can see यहाँ पे क्या हो गया है, at a single, you can see at a single node three two flowers are more than two flowers are there. Okay, so that's why it is the best example of whole type of phallotaxy. So what is the definition of whole type of phallotaxy? If more than two leaves that arises at a single node and they form a whole type of the structure, then we are called it as the whole type of phallotaxy. Okay, so these are the types of the phallotaxy. I hope you understood very clearly that what are the whole type of phallotaxy, then alternate and the opposite phallotaxy. Okay, thank you so much.